Hey guys, this is Ishmael Amti. After making a video tutorial about the Tascam DR40X sound recorder, I've had a lot of questions, and in today's video I want to address one of them. So the question is, why doesn't an ordinary or any microphone at all work with this sound recorder? So before getting to that, there's a need to know that when I finally purchased this sound recorder myself, it took me time before I was able to discover a couple of things about it. That it needs to use a mono adapter, that there's a way to actually use an inbuilt or maybe record with an external microphone, as well as there's a way to be able to record stereo as well as to multiple tracks. It actually took me time, and if you watch my video placed at the cards or at the top, you can actually get to see that. Now back to the question. Whenever you're thinking of getting this sound recorder, or if you own one and you're having challenges using it, what you need to know is that this sound recorder works well with a self-powered lapel or microphone. Yes, so I'm using a lapel over here, and as you can see, this is a self-powered lapel which has batteries in it. You turn it on, then you are good to go. You can also see from this microphone, this is a boom mic which also has a section where you place battery in it. You turn it on, you connect it to the sound recorder, then you are good to go. And then finally, I also have this Movo wireless that's microphone over here, which also uses battery. So you realize there's a section that has a part for battery. Now if you're thinking of using just this lapel, so connecting this directly to the sound recorder, there's no way this thing is going to work. So that's one thing you need to keep in mind, is having a microphone, being it a boom mic, being it a lapel, being it a wireless lapel, whatever it is, whatever microphone you're using, there's a need for you to have it powered with an external power source. Now for microphones like this, which is the boom mic, it has a chance of using a phantom power. Now this sound recorder has a phantom power capability where you can actually use it to power something like this. So if you are using the phantom power, then you don't have any problem using any external battery or any external power source in it. So that is what you need to know. That's what you need to understand. That's what you need to know first before thinking of getting the sound recorder. That is, if you're not having it yet. And if you already have it and you've been encountering challenges, then this is an answer to your question. So that is just about it for this video. In case you are new, kindly hit on the subscribe button, and then don't forget to hit on the bell so that anytime there's a new video, you get to see it. So once again, my name is Ishmael Amte. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.